The right way to use styles when you write a big document is a topic we need to discuss, as it will help us have a lot of time as we go, inshaAllah. That will hopefully change the way we use Word documents, inshaAllah. Assume we have a very big document with many headings, subheadings, and so on. Say we want our headings to be in a certain style as well as the subheadings and the paragraphs. One thing you can do is change the font size, and font color to give an appropriate style. But styling every single heading, subheading, or paragraph that way is like if you misuse your youth, you get misery when you are old. Some smart people might try with paint format tool, which is also not an ideal way. So there has to be a right way to do this. And that is to use the Styles panel in the ribbon. Styles in the Microsoft Word document will help you save time in many different ways. All you need to do is select appropriate styles for all parts of your document. This includes your headings, subheadings, paragraphs, quotes, and everything. Once that is done, everything will become super convenient in your life, inshallah. Note that I have given style heading 1 to all my headings, while I have chosen the style heading 2 for my all subheadings. How you can find out that is that when you click a heading, the style heading 1 will get highlighted. Like that, when you click a subheading, the style heading 2 will get highlighted. As you may have noticed, all the paragraphs are automatically considered as a normal style. Later on, if you want to change the font or any style of any part of the document, you can just modify the style, and it will change all relevant parts of the document instantly. That way, you don't have to worry about leaving a single part unchanged. For that, all you have to do is click the part of the document you want to change, and it will highlight the style you need to change. Right-click the highlighted style and select Modify. A dialog box will pop up with several options. It allows you to rename style as well as provides various options to format your styles. For example, you can change the font size, style, color, alignment, line spacing, and paragraph spacing as well. If you want more options, you can drop down the formats and change as much as you want. Once you are done, click OK and it will get applied. Now you can use the navigation pane to navigate between topics. All you have to do is go to View and check Navigation pane and select Document Map. That will help you navigate the topics conveniently. Hope that was helpful, and I hope to see you in the next tutorial, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum.
مولاي صل وسلم دائما أبدا على حبيبك خير الخلق كلهم مولاي صل وسلم دائما أبدا على حبيبك خير الخلق كلهم محمد سيد الكونين والثقلين محمد سيد الكونين والثقلين والفريقين من عرب ومن عجم مولاي صل وسلم دائما أبدا على حبيبك خير الخلق كلهم مولاي صل وسلم دائما أبدا في الله لم تهزم ولم تهين حتى غادت أمة الإسلام في النجوم.